What is up, guys? I'm Frankie Garcia. You might know me from the Moto America King of the Bagger series. I'm building my custom ultimate bagger, and I'm starting with this stock 2023 Road Glide ST. And in just a few short weeks, I'm gonna completely transform this thing. Today, we're installing this Harley-Davidson Drag Seat. Let's talk about how I chose this seat and the install process. Stick around. This is a Harley-Davidson Drag Seat. Not only do I love the racy aesthetics, but the pillion in the seat is also adjustable. It has a low profile backrest, but offers more support than the stock seat. Let me show you how that works and how to install this thing. Now, we're gonna be installing our drag seat. The cool thing about this whole job is that it does not require any tools. First step, we're gonna remove the stock seat. And this can easily be done by two knurled nuts underneath each side of the seat in the back, and you can take those off just by hand. Place these provided stickers on the pressure points to protect your paint. So the pillion seat is actually adjustable on this seat. It comes standard in this back position where you can see these three holes here are empty. That's the spot it was in, but I've actually moved it forward. I'm a little bit shorter, so I moved it forward, and we're gonna go ahead and tighten that down, flip this thing over, and get it on the bike. Ensure the front of the seat is locked into the proper position. So now that we've got the seat adjusted and on, all we gotta do is add this bolt to the back and we're done. And just like that, our new drag seat is on and secured. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harley-davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Frankie, everybody's favorite bagger racer. We'll catch you on the next one.